Ever caught yourself saying, just one last time, only to repeat the same bad habit the next day? We all have those little habits, endless scrolling, late night snacking, skipping workouts that hold us back. And breaking them feels like climbing Mount Everest in flip-flops. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to be that hard. With the right approach, you can break free and build better habits. Let's get started. Tip 1. Awareness is key. First things first, become a habit detective. What triggers your bad habit? Is it stress? Boredom? A specific time of day? Jot it down. Understanding your triggers is half the battle. Tip 2. The swap strategy. Don't just try to stop the bad habit. Replace it. Nail biting? Try a fidget toy. Mindless snacking? Keep healthy snacks handy. Swap the negative with a positive. Tip 3. Small steps, big wins. Don't try to overhaul your entire life overnight. Start small. Maybe you aim to check your phone only once an hour instead of every 5 minutes. Small wins build momentum and keep you motivated. Tip 4. Accountability partner. Tell a friend, family member, or even share your goals online. Having someone to cheer you on and gently nudge you when you slip up can make a huge difference. Tip 5. Be kind to yourself. Breaking habits is a journey, not a race. You're going to have setbacks. Don't beat yourself up about it. Just dust yourself off and get back on track.